Welcome to the K-Pop Demon Hunters True or False Challenge. I'll show you a statement from the movie. All you have to do is decide, is it true or is it false? Think you know the story well enough? Let's find out. Mira is the leader of Huntrix. True or false? It's Rumi.
Hear our voice unwavering till our song defeats the night.
Huntrix's favorite food is pizza. True or false? It's ramen.
Plane's trashed.
Okay, let's do it.
Rumi's dad is a demon. True or false? It's true.
Cover those up. You only have those because
My dad was a demon?
you're not one of them, Rumi.
Mira is the rapper of the group. It's false. Zoe is the rapper.
When shoot my words, I go Rambo. Took blood, sweat, and tears to look natural. That's how it's done, done, done.
Find the odd one out. Great! Jinu is over 400 years old. True or false? It's true.
I know you, Jinu. In 400 years, you've never done a single thing that didn't serve yourself.
There are 6 Saja Boys. The Saja Boys has 5 members.
You're all I can think of, every drop I drink up. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop. Cool me down.
Abby Saja is a leader of Saja Boys. Jinu is the leader of Saja Boys.
Play me on repeat, good on she in your head. Anytime it hurts, play another verse. I can be a sanctuary.
The Saja Boys wear black suits and hats in their demonic form. True or false? It's true.
Go after the very thing that powers the Hunmoon. The fans.
Rate the song. Demons cannot feel any emotions. True or false? It's false.
Feel? You're a demon. Demons don't feel anything.
Is that what you think? That's all demons do.
Celine was an ex-hunter. This is the truth.
Celine raised her and built Huntrix around her.
Rumi's voice is just incredible. Like,
It brings us to
Zoe has a crush on Mystery Saja. This is the truth.
I am not sitting with no Saja Boy. What's up?
Baby Saja lost the hot sauce challenge. False. He won it easily.
He can't! Baby Saja is the winner!
Goo goo gaga.
Would you rather? Golden or your idol?
Look away, don't you know I'm here to save you? Now we running wild.
Golden Song fans like the video, and your idol song fans subscribe to the channel. Humans disappear when their souls are stolen. True or false? It's true.
Feed off your energy.
in other news, the amount of missing person reports have tripled in the last.
Soda Pop won Song of the Year at the Idol Awards. It's the truth.
This week's winner is Soda Pop by the Saja Boys.
So sweet, so easy on the eyes, but hideous on the inside. Whole life spreading light.
All demons have patterns on their skin. True or false? It's true.
It was real. What we had was real. I know it was.
The things I said, I just needed you to trust me.
Demon hunters are immortal. This is false.
Play, want it away, we wanted a million, we kill it like really, you want it okay. Nails, nails.
Would you rather? Saja Boys
You're all I can think of. Every drop I drink up. You're my soda pop.
or Huntrix?
Better come right, better luck trying, get into a level. Cause you might die, never the time, trying to start a battle. Bleeding is
Guima becomes stronger by eating human hearts. It's false. He eats human souls.
Your voices.
Jinu's pet bird has 4 eyes in total. It's false. The bird has 6 eyes in total.
Is that a bird wearing a tiny hat?
Mystery Saja's eyes were never shown in the movie. It's the truth.
No, not tonight. 지금 당장 날 봐, 시간 없잖아.
Jinu sacrificed himself at the end of the film. True or false? It's true.
I give it to you.
Who is your favorite Huntrix member? Zoe.
To beat my face, make it cute and savage. Mirror, mirror on my phone, who's the baddest? Us, hello, nothing new.
Rumi.
And now I'm shining like a butterfly. Oh, I would talk.
Mira.
Wow, but now that's how I'm getting paid. Good that she on stage, I'm done hiding.
The Han moon turns purple when it is sealed forever. It's false. It turns gold. Zoe is the youngest of the group. It's true.
Live 2 lives, try to play both sides, but I couldn't find my own place.
Down was written to seal the Han moon. False. It was written to diss the Saja Boys.
It's a takedown, I'ma take you out, you'll break down like what? It's a takedown, I'ma take you out, and it ain't gonna stop. 정신을 놓고 던지 밟고 파란색 영화.
Rumi never went to the bathhouse in the movie. This is false.
Wow, this feels amazing.
We've been saying that for
Only Huntrix can see the Han moon. This is the truth.
We got you now, we show you how. Huntrix don't miss how it's done.
And that's a wrap on the True or False K-Pop Demon Hunters edition. How many did you get right? Tell me your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome K-pop Demon Hunters quizzes. See you in the next challenge.